Hello and welcome to our journey into the world of e-commerce. If you're asking yourself the crucial question, Amazon FBA, is it still profitable? You've come to the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the depths of e-commerce, and more specifically, we're going to analyze the current reality of Amazon FBA. Is it still a viable medium for the independent entrepreneur? Or has it become too competitive a battleground to be worth the investment of time and money? In this video, we'll give you some answers. We'll show you the challenges you may face, the opportunities that may be lurking where you least expect them, and of course, the essential tools and strategies for navigating this ever-changing world. To deepen your understanding of the subject, I've written an ebook entitled How to Sell Successfully on Amazon. It's a valuable resource that integrates perfectly with the content of this video. I invite you to download it now by clicking on the link in the description below this video. Hurry, because knowledge is the most important factor for success in this ever-evolving field. The sooner you have access to this information, the sooner you can put these strategies into practice and get ahead of the game. So, without further ado, let's cut to the chase. This video has been specifically designed to provide you with accurate answers and give you a significant advantage in the competitive world of selling on Amazon. Whether you're new to the game or looking to improve your current strategy, every minute counts. Ready to seize the opportunity? Let's get started. Welcome to a journey into the heart of tomorrow's e-commerce. Imagine yourself in 2023, at the center of the world's largest marketplace, Amazon. All around you, millions of sellers are vying for the attention of buyers. The rules of the game have changed, costs have risen, and the playing field is more competitive than ever. What the challenges are and how to stay competitive in this environment is what we'll explore in this first chapter. One of the first obstacles we face is an increasingly competitive marketplace. According to statistics, over 75% of new sellers on Amazon are from Asia. This means that the e-commerce battlefield has expanded to include a multitude of sellers from all corners of the globe. This increased competition comes with its own challenges. How to stand out from the thousands of sellers offering similar products, how to capture the attention of shoppers in a sea of choice. These are critical questions, and the answer lies in a strategy of product differentiation. By creating unique products or specializing in less competitive niches, you can easily stand out from the crowd. The second major challenge we face is rising costs. Shipping and storage costs have risen by almost 20% in 2022, reducing the room for maneuver for sellers. What's more, advertising, which has become a necessity to stand out from the crowd, has also become more expensive. The cost per click for advertising on Amazon will increase by 50% by 2022, making it difficult to attract buyers. But let's not lose hope. As the old adage goes, where there are challenges, there are opportunities. Despite increased competition and higher costs, it's still possible to reach a huge audience. With more than 300 million active users, Amazon remains the world's largest online shopping platform. The key to success on Amazon is your ability to adapt and evolve. With the right strategy, such as Amazon SEO, smart pricing strategies, effective use of paid advertising, and inventory management strategies, you can turn these challenges into opportunities. In conclusion, the current state of Amazon FBA is a complex mix of challenges and opportunities. Yes, the market is competitive, and yes, costs are rising. But with a well-thought-out strategy and the ability to adapt, you can successfully navigate these choppy waters. In the next chapter, we'll explore together the coming trends on Amazon FBA and how you can prepare for the future. So stick with us, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.
Imagine riding the wave of a technological revolution, seizing the opportunities of an ever-evolving digital age. That's where we are right now, at the heart of the future of Amazon FBA, a future full of possibilities. For starters, imagine being able to create a personalized shopping experience for every customer. With artificial intelligence technologies like machine learning and deep learning, this vision is becoming a reality. Think about it, 80% of customers are more likely to make a purchase when they receive a personalized experience. You can analyze buying behavior, understand individual preferences, and make personalized product recommendations. It's like having a personal salesperson for every customer, improving engagement and increasing sales. Next, imagine a world where your customers can try on your products from their living rooms. Augmented reality technologies such as Apple's AR-Kit or Google's AR-Core make this possible. According to some studies, 71% of shoppers would be more likely to buy if they could visualize the product in augmented reality before making a purchase. Not only can this technology transform the online shopping experience, it can also reduce returns and increase customer satisfaction. And what about an unprecedented level of security and transparency in online transactions? That's where blockchain, powered by technologies like Ethereum or Hyperledger, comes in. This technology can help build customer trust by providing a transparent, verifiable trail for every transaction. This can reduce fraud and improve security for all parties involved. Today's customers want more than just an online purchase. They're looking for an experience. According to one study, by the end of this year, customer experience will overtake price and product as the top brand differentiator. By meeting these expectations with exceptional customer service, fast delivery, and hassle-free return policies, you can build loyalty and drive long-term growth. E-commerce is a world in constant evolution. Some predict that e-commerce will account for 22% of global commerce by the end of this year. By staying agile and ready to adapt, you can ride the wave of change and realize your growth potential. So that's the future of Amazon FBA, a world of incredible opportunity, customer satisfaction, compliance, and continued success. In the next part of our adventure, we'll explore how to build a winning strategy for Amazon FBA. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey, and we look forward to exploring the future together.
Imagine yourself at the center of a labyrinth, armed with a precise map and compass to guide you to the hidden treasure. That treasure is success on Amazon FBA, a marketplace with more than 2.5 million active sellers. And that map and compass are the winning strategy we'll work out together today, with a little help from some powerful tools. First, let's take a moment to understand our audience. Imagine being able to read your customers' minds, anticipate their needs, and understand their desires. Thanks to Amazon's analytics tools and external solutions like Helium 10, we can gain valuable insights that allow us to do just that. It's the first step in creating a shopping experience that resonates with your customers. For example, did you know that nearly 35% of Amazon purchases come from AI-based recommendations? Let's take a closer look at our product list. Imagine a beautiful storefront where each product is attractively displayed with compelling descriptions and high-quality photos. Optimizing your product list is not just a matter of aesthetics, it's a key strategy for attracting more customers and increasing your sales. With tools like Helium 10, you can ensure that your SEO is optimized to maximize your visibility. In fact, one study showed that adding a product video can increase conversions by 35%. Let's move on to inventory management and logistics. Imagine a well-organized warehouse where every product is in its place, ready to be shipped to your customers quickly and efficiently. The Fulfillment by Amazon FBA program can help you achieve this goal while allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. And with inventory tracking tools like Helium 10, you can stay organized and efficient. In 2020, 94% of FBA sellers saw an increase in sales after joining the program. Next, let's talk about advertising and promotion. Imagine a compelling advertising campaign that attracts attention and encourages customers to discover your products. Amazon offers a variety of advertising options, and by choosing wisely, you can create campaigns that increase your product's visibility and boost your sales. Tools like those in Helium-10 can help you optimize these campaigns for the best return on investment. On average, Amazon sellers who use advertising increase their sales by more than 50%. Excellent customer service is another key element of our strategy. Imagine customer service that not only solves problems, but delights customers and turns them into loyal fans. Effectively managing customer feedback and resolving issues quickly are essential to building a solid reputation and ensuring long-term success on Amazon FBA. According to one study, a 1-star increase in reviews can lead to a 20 to 40% increase in conversions. Finally, let's not forget the importance of planning for the future. Imagine yourself at the helm of a ship, sailing confidently toward the horizon, ready to face the waves of change with agility and resilience. Setting clear goals, monitoring performance, and adapting your strategy as the market changes are all essential skills for navigating the ever-changing e-commerce landscape. Performance tracking tools like those offered by Helium-10 can be a great help in this task. Don't forget that by 2024, it is estimated that over 95% of purchases will be facilitated by e-commerce. And so, together, we've walked the path to success on Amazon FBA. We've explored how to understand your audience, optimize your product list, efficiently manage your inventory and logistics, create compelling advertising campaigns, provide excellent customer service, and plan for the future. Every step of this journey has prepared you to write your own success story. And with powerful tools like those in Helium-10, available through the link in the description of this video, you have everything you need to make your dreams a reality.
Imagine being able to generate an income in just a few months that would exceed your wildest expectations. Imagine the freedom you could feel, the ability to live by your own rules, without constraints or limitations. Maybe it's traveling, spending more time with your family, or simply being your own boss. It can all be a reality. With this ebook, you get a practical guide that has helped countless people achieve and exceed their most ambitious goals. So why shouldn't you? The only thing standing between you and your dream is action. So take the first step. It's time to change your life. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and training on how to succeed on Amazon. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description of this video to download the ebook and start your journey to Amazon success.